Good morning, my dear students. Today we will continue chapter number 2, Physical and Chemical Changes. In the previous classes 6, 7, 8, we have studied what is physical change. Physical changes are temporary changes in which no new substances are formed, and physical changes are reversible, like this. And chemical change. What is chemical change? A chemical change, it is a permanent change in which new substances are formed. Its chemical composition has changed. Two or more substances or elements may be compounds. They combine together to form new substances, or a compound breaks up to form new substances. Such type of changes are called chemical change, and such changes is also called as your chemical reactions. The chemical reaction or chemical change, it is not reversible, it is irreversible reactions. A chemical change always involves in a chemical reaction, means a chemical change is considered as chemical reactions. Now, once again, here is a word, chemical bond. What is chemical bond? Chemical bond, it is a force of attraction by which two or more elements combine together to two or more elements are held together with a force of attraction. It is called chemical bond. For example, sodium has 11 proton. To complete its octet, it will lose its valence electron. So when sodium loses one electron, it forms sodium ion. And what about chlorine? Its atomic number is 17. So it has 17 protons, 17 electrons. Configuration will be 287. To complete its octet, it needs one electron. So this neutral chlorine, when gains one electron, now it becomes chloride ion. बाबूरे, हम इसको क्लोरीन आयन नहीं बोलेंगे, क्लोराइड आयन बोलेंगे. So it forms chloride ion. Right from beginning we are knowing the opposite charges attracts each other. Here is positively charged, here is negatively charged. So this sodium ion plus chloride ion combines together and forms sodium chloride. So this sodium chloride, it is formed by two opposite charges. So there is a force of attraction here between sodium and chlorine. This force of attraction is nothing but it is your chemical bond. So a chemical bond is the force. Force means force of attraction that holds the atoms of a molecule together to make a compound. There are, if you see this paragraph, a chemical change or chemical reaction occur only when particles collide. Collide means they strike each other, they comes in contact with each other. Collision occurs when reactions are in close contact. Here are some conditions. So what will be the topic here? Conditions for a chemical change or chemical reaction. If you see, already it has been taught in class 8. First one is mixing condition or close contact method. It is also called as synthesis method. Suppose in a box or in a bottle, this sodium is packed. In another bottle, this chlorine is packed. Do you think so? There will be a reaction between this bottle and this bottle? your answer will be obviously never reaction will take place. But when they are mixed together, when sodium and chlorine are mixed together, they form sodium chloride. So first condition is mixing condition. In some cases, a chemical reaction occurs when two substances are mixed in their solid state. No problem. It may be even in the liquid state. We will see it later on. Even the reaction may take place in liquid state. Liquid state means aqueous or solution state. Here is that point. The solution state, in some of the reactions, not in all, in a few reactions, the chemical changes occurs only when substances are mixed in either molten or aqueous state. No problem. Here is an example. This is solid. Sodium chloride is your solid. AgNO3 is liquid state, aqueous state. When they are mixed, it forms AgCl. Are you seeing this arrow? It is going downwards, means precipitate is formed. So, after a chemical reaction, a new substance, silver chloride, is formed whose color is white, plus sodium nitrate is formed. So some chemical reactions take place only in the solution state. Some reactions, not all, but some chemical reactions may take place when it is heated. Here is your copper carbonate. बाबू मैया एक चीज याद रखेगा, कोई भी कॉपर या जिंक, हमको एक कंसेप्ट याद रखना चाहिए बाबू रे. जैसे एम स्टैंड्स फॉर मेटालिक, मेटल कार्बोनेट. ऑन हीटिंग ये क्या बना देगा? मेटल का ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन का डाइऑक्साइड. लाइकवाइज जिंक कार्बोनेट, if you keep it in a bottle, even for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, no reaction will take place. But as soon as you heat air here, it will form zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. So some chemical reactions are there which takes place only in the presence of heat, means when it is heated. एक कंसेप्ट आपको दिया था भी बाबू कि मेटालिक, जब कार्बोनेट को हीट करते हैं तो मेटालिक ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनता है. वी शुड कीप दिस कंसेप्ट इन आवर माइंड, इन आवर हार्ट. इट विल कम मेनी टाइम्स. अनदर कंसेप्ट इज व्हेन मेटालिक नाइट्रेट, एनी मेटालिक नाइट्रेट इज हीटेड, it will form metallic oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. There are 2-3 cases. In the case of silver nitrate and mercury nitrate, when they are heated, plus when sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate are heated. These 4 are the exceptional case. Otherwise, on heating they form this respective metallic oxides, nitrogen dioxide, and now here light. Some reactions takes place only in the presence of light. We are knowing right from bachpan up to this bachpan that there are so many reactions, particularly photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? We know it. The process by which the plant make their foods in presence of moisture, sunlight or carbon dioxide. Here light. Photosynthesis. Another reaction is also here. hydrogen and chlorine reacts in presence of sunlight. My dear students, this is H2 plus Cl2 sunlight के presence में. If chlorine water is exposed to sunlight, bubbles of gas are seen. Means bubble of gas are seen. Means this oxygen gas will be evolved as Cl will be formed. Here are some reaction. This reaction, especially this and this and this one, these three reactions will be important even for the future time. Some reactions takes place in the solution state. I had told you earlier कि solution, see here previously it was what? Any metallic nitrate. I had told you any metallic nitrate on heating it forms metallic oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. You can see here this is also metallic nitrate, but instead of silver oxide it is only silver. Both now it is same, nitrogen dioxide, oxygen is formed, no problem. So some reactions, solution of silver nitrate, some reactions takes place only when it in the presence of sunlight. Now electricity. Here one word will come. Certain chemical reactions like decomposition of certain amounts occur only when electricity is passed. Every day we use water. We are knowing water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, but my dear students, can you separate hydrogen and oxygen from water? You will say no, but I am saying yes, we can separate. If we will see in another chapter, when electricity is passed through the solution in molten or aqueous state, it will break down to form, it will break down into its constituents, hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, we know this sodium, खाने वाला नमक, it is made up of sodium and chlorine, but can you separate? We can separate. After passing electric current, there are certain conditions which will be not good for you to explain. It may go above our head. When the time will come, we will know. Then sodium and chlorine is passed. So this process by which an electric current is passed through a compound and it breaks up, this process is called your electrolysis. Now pressure. There are not all the chemical reactions, but there are certain chemical reactions which takes place only at normal pressure. But there are some reactions which takes place at high pressure. If we are burning coal, it will burn even at normal pressure. So that's why I told you some chemical reactions occurs only at normal pressure, but there are certain chemical reactions, there are some reactions which takes place at high pressure. Here is your HgCl2 mercury chloride and it is Ki potassium iodide when rubbed in a mortar. So it gives a new compound, mercuric iodide. It happens, this reaction takes place at high pressure. Similarly, the process of formation of NH3 is called your ammonia. So when nitrogen and hydrogen both are reacted or subjected at high pressure, it is from 200 atmospheric to 900 atmospheric pressure. The reaction takes place and forms ammonia. Next condition is catalyst. We know what is catalyst. Catalyst, it is a substance which is used or which either increases or decreases the rate of chemical reactions. So, some chemical reactions need a catalyst either to step up, accelerate means step up, or to step down, deaccelerate the rate of reactions. The catalyst or the substance, they increases or decreases the rate of reaction, but it does not take part in chemical reaction. It remains unchanged. Certain chemical reactions proceed by absorption of sound energy. These are the reaction. Here it is used as, this is used as catalyst. There are two types of catalyst. One is positive catalyst, which step ups the reactions. Steps up, accelerate means the reaction which may take place, which may happen in 30 minutes, 40 minutes. If we use the if we use the catalyst, then the reaction may take place even at 5 minutes. The reaction which is very slow, after adding catalyst, will increase the rate of reaction. So such catalysts are called positive catalyst. Here are some examples. Now another one is negative catalyst. A catalyst which is used to deaccelerate, retard means slow down the reaction, is called negative catalyst or inhibitors. Here are the examples. Phosphoric acid retards, deaccelerates. Chloroform deaccelerates. Chloroform is a compound, organic compound. Here one is promoter. It is something like catalyst, but it is not catalyst. It is what I said, my dear boys. बाबू मैया रे, मैंने क्या कहा? वैसा ही है, बट वो नहीं है. प्रोमोटर कैटालिस्ट के ही ऐसा है, बट कैटालिस्ट नहीं है. कैटालिस्ट का क्या काम बोला बाबू? आइदर इट इंक्रीजेस द और डिक्रीजेस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. बट प्रोमोटर क्या करता है? ये रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को ना घटाता है ना बढ़ाता है. इट इंक्रीजेस द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द कैटालिस्ट. ये कैटालिस्ट को ही एफिशिएंसी बढ़ा देता है एंड डज नॉट टेक पार्ट इन केमिकल रिएक्शन. बात समझ में आया बाबू कि कैटालिस्ट इंक्रीजेस और डिक्रीजेस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, बट प्रोमोटर does not increases or decreases the rate of reaction directly. It increases the efficiency, power of the catalyst. So the substance that which affects the rate of chemical reaction by improving the efficiency of catalyst are called promoters. Here, for making ammonia, when nitrogen, 1 volume of nitrogen, 3 volume of hydrogen, I think you will be confused कि 1 molecule है, सर बोल रहे हैं 3 molecules की जगह 3 volumes बोल रहे हैं. In next chapter we will see कि how 1 molecule को हम 1 volume और 3 volume बोल सकते हैं. चल भैया आपकी बात को रख लेते हैं कि 1 molecule of nitrogen plus 3 molecule of hydrogen combines together to form 2 molecule of ammonia. This reaction takes place at high pressure and high temperature around 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. In presence of catalyst here we use powdered iron plus promoter, it is your molybdenum. MO stands for molybdenum. Now, after chemical reactions, there will be certain characteristics, there will be certain changes. What may be the change? If you can see here, if it is zinc, when reacts with acid, it forms zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas is evolved. So, first property, characteristic means what here? Properties. So, here is your characteristics. Evolution of gas, not in all the cases, but in some of the chemical reactions, one product gas may be formed. Gas may be formed. Not in all, in some of the, here see, here gas is formed, here gas is formed. Here gas is formed. But if you see this reaction, no gas is formed. That's why what I said, in some of the chemical reactions, one gas may be formed. Here carbonate, calcium carbonate, when reacts with this dilute hydrochloric acid, calcium chloride of water is formed in addition with carbon dioxide. About this effervescence we will come later on. The change of color, not in all but certain, in many, most of the chemical reactions, there will be the change of color of the reactants. Here its color is shining white. Shining white, my dear friends, हम लोग देखे होंगे, हम लोग की मम्मी पायल पहनती है ना, कितना चमकता है, वैसे ही ये जिंक चमकता है. As soon as we add this dilute hydrochloric acid, this is formed, gas is formed. The color of this, when you will see from far, it will seems to be black. कहाँ था बाबू shining white, कहाँ हो गया black. So many chemical reactions में क्या होता है, change of the color. Here आयरन का कलर है बाबू माना गया है ग्रीन, ठीक है. एंड कॉपर सल्फेट इट इज ब्लू व्हेन इट इज फॉर्म सी ग्रीन सॉल्यूशन एंड इट इज नाउ दिस. Precipitates, not in all, in some of the chemical reactions, one precipitate will be formed. See, this reaction already we have seen 5 minutes before. This sodium, silver nitrate, it is in aqueous state. When they react, they form the silver chloride as precipitate. Silver chloride as precipitate. हमको एक कंसेप्ट रखना चाहिए बाबू. किताब का सब चीज़ को हम लोग याद नहीं रखेंगे. छोटा सा तो दिमाग है, उसमें भी आजकल बाबू आप लोग मोबाइल और ये वो खेलते रहते होंगे, तो सब दिमाग तो उसी में चला जाता होगा. कितना याद रखिएगा ना. एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर माय वर्ड्स, भेंट नहीं होता है, आप लोग को मिस कर रहा हूँ. इस बीच में रिएक्शंस भी लिख ले रहे हैं. इट फॉर्म्स कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड plus sodium sulfate. See, here one precipitate is formed. So, not in all but in some of the chemical reactions, one precipitate may be formed. Here is change of state in most of the chemical reactions. In most of the chemical reactions, there may be the change of state. For example, ammonia gas. This is ammonia gas. G means gas. This is HCl, hydrogen chloride gas. When they are mixed together, when they react together, they form NH4Cl ammonium chloride which is solid state. वैसे ही कार्बन it is solid state, sulfur gaseous state. When they react together it form carbon disulfide which is in liquid state. Another example, hydrogen is gas, oxygen is gas, both are gas. When they combine, they form water which is liquid state. Carbon is solid, color is black. Oxygen is colorless. When it burns, it forms carbon dioxide. It is now colorless. And see the change. Now come to effervescence. When we do some chemical reactions, not in all, my dear student, mind it, not in all, in some of the cases, gas bubbles may be formed. Those gas bubbles, the formation of gas bubbles in a liquid state, in a chemical reaction, is termed as effervescence. In the reaction ऊपर में जो दिया हुआ है ना, so गैस निकलता है. So my dear students, it is for today. If there is, once again I am telling you the same, कि हम आपको बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं, but due to this contagious disease we are unable to meet. But there are some problems. Many students are saying कि sir, here is some problems, here is some problems, can you sort out it on phone? All the teachers are ready to sort out your problems. So my dear students, if you have any problem in physics, chemistry or maths, you can have a touch with me. My number is given, right? So wish you all the best. See you. Bye bye.